Looking for the best rubber mallet? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 rubber mallet on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Estwing, Deadhead Rubber Mallet. The solid hickory handle stands up to a big workload without showing signs of wear. This versatile rubber mallet is light enough for tile work but heavy enough for metal work. At 12 ounces, this model can do the light work of tile tapping without causing damage, while the sturdy rubber face can also manage the work of shaping metal. The handle is thick and does not include a comfort grip, which may strain users' hands with frequent use. At number 2. Tekton, white/black fiberglass handle rubber mallet. The black rubber side of the head is hard enough to strike with power, while the soft white side can pound out metal and other materials without leaving black marks like some other mallets. The fiberglass handle is built to last and will also absorb impact better than other handles. The dual material head offers outstanding flexibility, and the durable fiberglass handle wrapped in a comfort grip allows for frequent use without wear on the hands or the mallet. The mallet head may come off with frequent use on very hard materials such as stone. At number 1. Vaughn, 14 inches rubber mallet with hickory handle. Length not only extends the reach of the user but also offers extra power behind swings, allowing big jobs to be completed more quickly. The handle is made from heavy hickory and sealed for extra protection, making the product extra durable. A dual head allows flexibility for users to choose the right mallet face for different jobs. The impressive 14-inch size of this model offers extra torque, and the epoxy-sealed handle will last through frequent use. This lightweight mallet may not be a good option for jobs requiring heavier equipment, such as inserting floor nails. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.